sa'yo. Pero maldita mood. Wag mo na yun. Yo. Oh, ayan na.
You should share it.
Ulitin mo ba yung para lucky man?
Wow! Here, patingin niyo sa ano sa vlog mo. Yummy! Pakita mo.
Guys, don't shoot me, okay?
Okay na?
Wait lang.
Another one.
Tapos, ay, kay ganito?
Yeah, kay Kalia yan.
Kalia, it's yours, baby. You're ruined that. Open, Kalia. Kalia? Wow! Baby shark! Ay, kita ko yan. Wow! This one is for me.
Mas gusto niya, sorry siya.
Kanino galing? Antine. From Antine. This one is from Antine.
Uy, wag mo naman punitin. Yan yung sabi mo. Tama ba yan? Oo.
Oh my goodness!
Hindi pa yun nalalabhan.
Super giant. From Auntie Joya. Auntie Joya. Yay! The first emotion. Open. Go. Rip it. Dapat ipupunit. Okay, ipupunit ka.
Wow!
It's an awesome.
Natakot! Wala natakot!
The last piece.
Natakot!
The last one is for Kalia. The last one. Baby shark! Baby shark! Baby shark! What's that? Wow! This is good dress.
Babay din.
Baby shark! Baby shark! Meron pa siya gift from Auntie. What? From Auntie. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Wait for Auntie.
Bilis, open mo na. Gusto ko lang makita.
Siya pa ba yun? Oh, it's akin daw! Wala ko nang palagay. The inner child is healed.
The inner child is here.
You're still a child. Do you like it?
Grabe ka naman. Ano mo na yun mo na inner child mo?
Thank you.
Kanina?
Ano na sa
Natakot.
Di ba yung liga?
Kanina.
Natakot.
Oh, ito na lang. Career you start. Ano yan?
Open mo na ate.
How?
Can you hold? Stop mo na to.